Hi all, welcome to Electrics. Today we are going to solve an interesting problem which is asked in the last year in ISRO 2020 questions. Let's see the question. Determine the voltage V1 in the figure shown below. A circuit is given and the four options: A 100 volt, B 14.28 volt, C 50 volt, D 68.25 volt, and a circuit is given. Right? Most of the students are confusing only because of the structure what they are given. Actually the topology is our problem, because from the circuit, see 125 ohm resistance, so they are marked as this is plus or minus V1. Objective is to calculate the voltage across this 25 volt, but a dependent voltage source is there, that value is equal to 0.2 volt, connected with a series resistance of 10 ohm, connected to a 5 ampere current source, and a 10 ohm resistance are connected, and some short circuit is there, right? So we can solve this by applying the equipotential concept. What do you mean by an equipotential concept? Consider this marker as some elements like a resistance or capacitor, something. Then this is the first node and this is the second node. This is marked as A and this is B. I am connecting a short circuit from A to B. Means the current always choose the short circuit path. Means that there is no current will flows inside the component. Means what is the potential at this A? Then the short circuit potential is also BA. Means if 2 points are short circuited, then that 2 points have the same voltage. That is the equipotential voltage. From this figure you just see which one is an equipotential point. That is, I mark it as this node as an A, and I am considering this node as a B, because A and B are two independent nodes. Then this node is an A, then a short circuit from here, then this node should be A, because two nodes are short circuited, correct? Then here to this potential is also A, because these two are short circuited. This B, then this must be B, then this is again short circuited, this is B. I am redrawing the circuits. See, from the figure there are two nodes, so I am mark it as this is my first node. I mark it as my first node A, and then another node B here. Okay. Then A to B, a resistance of 25 ohm. So A to B, I am connecting a resistance. Its value is 25 ohm, but its voltage is marked as V1. Then B to A dependent voltage source, but the direction is towards A, right? So it is again between B and A. So between B and A dependent voltage source. This is a dependent voltage source. The direction is towards A. Okay, direction is towards A. The value is 0.2 V1. Correct? Then from A to B and another resistance, yes, I am connecting an A to B and another resistance of 10 ohm. Okay, 10 ohm. Then B to A and another current source. B to A and another current source. But the current is directed towards B. So direction is like this, towards B, because this is B. Then A to B a resistance. A to B a resistance of 100 ohm. Then this is my A terminal and this is the B terminal. Actually this is our circuit. Then what is our question? Determine the value of V1. V1 means that is the voltage across this 25 ohm resistance. You just see, actually all the components are connected in parallel. Parallel means voltage across all the components have the same voltage. So this is V1 means this voltage is also V1. Right? Then you just see from the figure all these terminal A are connected in a single point. That is, I mark it as that voltage is V1, because I'm considering this as a reference node. I'm considering the 0 volt because I'm just earthing this. This is the 0 volt. Here only a single node, then you just apply the node analysis. How? You just consider in the direction of current like this. Then what is the current through this 25 ohm resistance? That is V1 divided by 25 because current is equal to the voltage divided by resistance. Then you just check here one dependent voltage source. The value is equal to 0.2 V1, but it's directed towards A. But I am considering all the current from A to B. So here I am considering this is minus 0.2 V1 plus this is V1 divided by 10 current plus 5 ampere plus V1 divided by 100 is equal to 0. This is my node equation. You just calculate, you just take the LCM. See, this is V1 divided by 25 minus this 0.2 V1 can be written as 2 V1 divided by 10, clear, plus V1 by 10 plus 5 plus V1 by 100 is equal to 0. You just take the LCM as 100. You just take the LCM as 100. Then here it is 4V1 minus 2 into 10, that is equal to 20V1 plus 10V1 plus 500 plus V1 is equal to 0. Got it? Okay. Then V1 plus 10V1 equal to 14V1 plus V1 is equal to 15V1. 15V1 minus 20V1 is equal to minus 5V1 plus 500 is equal to 0. Means I am writing here that is equal to V1 is equal to 500 divided by 5, that is equal to 100 volt is the right answer. Means the option A is the right one. Hope all of you understood this problem. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.